Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. You need good light and loose soil. Mix compost and topsoil to a 60/40 ratio, then loosen the bed. Once done, mark rows or plant holes spaced to the tag directions. Make sure to water seedlings gently after planting to settle roots. Use a trowel, gloves, and a simple staking plan. You'll already be producing the rhythm of care, watering, observing, and adjusting within the first hour. Now continue by setting up reliable irrigation and protecting roots while you focus on growth. You should install a drip line or soaker hose and schedule 10-15-minute sessions depending on weather. This reduces evaporative loss. Once done, apply 2-3 inches of mulch to stabilize temperature and suppress weeds, then plan a balanced fertilization at the recommended interval, usually 3 weeks after transplanting. Make sure to space pruning and staking tasks. Finish by harvesting correctly and addressing common problems so your effort pays off. You should harvest when fruits or leaves are mature. Cut stems cleanly to avoid damage and encourage more production. If pests appear, remove them manually, use a mild soap spray, or isolate affected plants to limit spread. Make sure to adjust water, soil pH, or nutrient schedule if you see stunting or yellowing. This usually fixes 80% of issues. If nothing helps, test soil and tweak one variable at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.